Keep it that way.
Yeah?
It's not like you're going to bed or anything.
Not like what? And you turned it on. Does anybody see my other?
Does she have a routine?
What should I do?
Does she have a routine that you used to do?
have a routine.
She's thinking.
She's
This
listening.
is Crazy 8. Or the 8, yeah. Crazy 8.
Noah, you're missing it.
Noah, are you watching?
Rabbit.
You go like this, and you can toss it up in the air, and you catch it. Don't toss it very far.
What are you jumping around for?
There we go.
Do it around the neck.
Fake neck wrap?
Fake neck wrap. Thought it was real.
Huh?
Thought it was real.
That thing used to go really fast and go around your neck. I can't do it anymore. And then there's a thing where it used to go like under your leg like this. This thing that goes. Used to do this thing really well that went around like this.
Okay, now.
Maybe have further distance to go.
They're
Doesn't work.
Shorter baton and a further distance circumference.
You?
Then we used to do this marching thing.
What?
Oh,
She's waiting.
You waiting for your practice? Okay, Lily is going to practice now.
Introducing Lily McCarricker.
Lily!
Yay!
Oh, you ready to ballet?
What are you doing? Oh,
Okay. And she's going to twirl a little bit with her ballet. Yeah.
wait.
She could twirl on her toes while she's on her toes.
Yeah, they're in
She goes up on her toes and she keeps twirling.
On your toes?
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's very tricky.
The weather's kind
And she twirls down between her legs, passes it under her legs like that.
Jeannie came in on Tuesday.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good.
Ooh.
Behind your back?
Goes around behind her.
Excellent.
Yep. There you go.
Kind of.
Wow. If she really finds out she likes it, like it's so worth it to have a balance between. Because I can't even like.
Let's wait
You can't even make the right motions without it being balanced.
Hey, Noah. The rockets are.